Hey everybody, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. Today is October 20th, 2021. As you can see, I am in my local cemetery. In 11 days, it's Halloween, October 31st. So I, Weed in the Bush, is throwing out a stealth camping challenge for the Stealth Camping Alliance members. You need to camp near a cemetery or near an abandoned building. If that abandoned building is haunted or not, it doesn't matter. It just has to be abandoned or cemetery. You can be in the cemetery if you so choose, or just on the outside of the cemetery. We will post our videos October 30th, the Sunday. So anybody who wants to join this challenge must post an acceptance challenge video. And I guess that's really about it. So I am calling out Hidden Hammock and anybody else, Taran Studios, Movement Drifter, anybody. Let's do this. Let's make it big. Everybody be safe, be respectful, and have fun. And then let's just destroy YouTube October 30th, Sunday. Because I'm pretty sure Halloween's a Monday tonight. And if not, I'm whatever, just the 30th of October, whatever day it is. I guess maybe I should have looked at the calendar. But anyways, Stealth Camping Alliance members, let's do this. And again, have fun, be safe, and be respectful. Ciao for now, guys. Hopefully we see you in a few days with one of my videos. And if not, we'll see you for Halloween.